Kaplayo Club haringkat kajing terelang baka office Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills, kumshi benta ban pinsapriang ya kakubor banyada ka memoriang na kamigalia Green Echoes, siyan kan sapalapet ba ay katup jing ruhay album jangka haka santrik mataw banay, haka jing alang kabanlong ha ususutam auditorium Shillong, kabanlong ru kajing rakiya ka World Environment Day, kapade ka program kaban penyat kamigalia Basin Development bat katanat forest. Habay kren big nong tok kubor, uba Nicholas Karkamni ulai thu bakani gijing temu jang kaplayo ban perlat yang ni gitu jing ruai kadai halor kanong rem ban pensmu thu susu ikipat ba ya gijing koridor kami mariang.
Our long dream of coming up with a music album is finally here. As a matter of fact, on World Environment Day, 5th of June, at the State Convention Center, in the state program which has been organized by the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority and also along with the Forest and Environment Department, this music album of ours will be launched. It has been a roller coaster ride for us to make this album, particularly for the fact that, as you had seen in the write-ups that we have given, it's in 5 different languages, which is Khasi, Jaintia, Garo, Hindi and English. And the biggest hurdle that we faced, apart from all the auditions that we generally see, is that language has become the biggest barrier. And when we are talking about an issue as pertinent as the environment, we